Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change address on AliExpress application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change address on AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Click on Account button at the bottom right side of the page. On the next page, tap on little gear icon at the top right side of the page and click on Shipping Address option. Tap on Edit and enter your new address, then click on Save. This is how you can change address on AliExpress quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.